Hi, my name's Tom. We got this shower caddy for my son for college, and it has worked out great so far. He's tested out a couple times, kind of walking around the house using it in the bathroom here. You can see it is a nice, durable caddy. It holds a lot of stuff. It's good size. It's got like 8 pockets all the way around it, and then there's 8 pockets on the outside, and there's one big pocket in the middle. This is the black. It comes in a bunch of different colors as well. But you could easily put a towel in the middle here. Right now, we've got a hair dryer, and we have some flip flops, some shower sandals, as well as all sorts of deodorants and soaps around it. You can see it's pretty good size. It's got one big mesh handle here, one big fabric handle. It is a strong handle. This is pretty heavy. This is probably about 8, 9 pounds full of with a liquid stuff. Everything's brand new. Everything's heavy, but it works great. It holds up well. It does have a nice bottom, a nice solid bottom. It's a flat bottom, so it'll kind of sit there like that. Anything on the mesh, all the water will kind of drip out of it. This is perfect for holding things, carrying things, good for a shower caddy, but it's also good for like the beach, just for kind of carrying stuff around, even for cleaners. My wife thought about getting another one of these things, just putting all the bathroom cleaners in this and just putting it under the sink. So then when she wants to clean something, she just pulls the whole thing out, takes it wherever she wants to go, cleans it, puts everything back, puts it back under the sink. So there we go. Nice mesh shower caddy. You can see the mesh. It is well made. It's durable. Lots of different pockets. Really like it. And I think you will too.